What's going on, Skid? We got a dishwasher. It's not coming on. Oh, it's filling up. We don't want that. I'll take the old cover off. Look at the motor. Oh, it's already been screwed there, right? Oh. Yeah, 9 times out of 10, you can take a flathead and turn these fins and it'll break loose for you. 9 times out of 10 it'll work. But not this time. I think it's duped its pants. We're gonna have to pull it out and replace it. I have to get the shop vac and suck all this water out. Alright, we got the water out. They need to bust a sponge on this thing. Squirt a little cleaner on a sponge, clean it up a little bit. It's looking a little funky. Alright, we're gonna have to get the drain hose off under there, so I have to just pull it out a skeeter leg. You don't have to come all the way out with it. Just a skeeter leg so you can get to the drain hose from the side. It's easier. There it is. Yeah, this one I could pull out a little bit more than a skeeter leg. Usually they don't come out this far. But as you can see, somebody put the nut facing downward. And I don't have a stubby. I need to get me a stubby. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get to this nut. You got a stubby, Jordan? No. Alright, got the old drain line loosened up. I had to pick it up a little bit and turn it on its side. Might be a little water. Alright, now we can turn it upside down. We'll pull the supply line off and turn it upside down. Alright, got the water turned off. Take the supply line off and then we turn it upside down. Replace the motor. Alright, we're ready. And before we get into it, I'll give you a quick look. It's real simple. You just undo this hose, undo that, and then undo that. Okay. Comes right out. It's super simple. It's super simple. Sometimes you might need to take a picture just to remember where things went back. I got a phone full of pictures. Oh yeah, this motor's hot, man. It's been burned. It burned out. Unplug that. Blue plug on the bottom, white plug on the top. The solenoid. It's loose. See, we pulled that one loose, pulled this one loose. Now we got one more on the bottom here. Alright, once you get this one on the bottom here, the motor would pull out. Cool. 1, 2, 3, yeah, we're ready. And that's it. And this is our new one. Let's do everything in reverse. Alright, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, but I think you get it now. Put that over that, tighten it down. That over that, tighten it down, and do the bottom one. Plug it in and you're done. Good looking out, honey. I'm gonna have to get me an old stubby nut driver. I'm always walking around Home Depot saying I need something, but I just can't remember what it is. I'm gonna put it in my phone so I remember. Alright, the new motor is in. Just make sure all your connections are tight. Sometimes I've put it back in and they weren't tight and the sucker leaked all over the floor. Especially that one right there. So pretty much it's just 1, 2, 3. That's all you have to loosen up and it'll come out. And this, man, this one gets me sometimes. I forget how it goes on. It loops around the front. So just a little side note, tech tip. Alright, flip it over and we'll pop it back in. We'll put this drain hose on where the nut is facing forward. So the next guy, if he doesn't have a stubby like me, he won't need a stubby. He can get to it from the front. God, it stinks. Smells like a fart farted. These old dishwashers, especially a nasty one like this, needs to be popped with a sponge. Alright, now we'll screw the water line back on. I won't film that. You know how to do that, I'm sure. Push it in, test it out. Alright, do a quick checklist. The drain hose, it's hooked up. The supply line is hooked up. Yeah, we plugged the motor back in when it was upside down. The white plug and the blue plug here. Alright, we're ready to rock. Will it leak? We're about to find out. What we want is these fins to spin. That way we know the motor's good. Alright, so far so good. We'll let it fill with water. I'll come back when that happens and it's washing. Alright, it's filling up. So far so good. no drippies. I've seen one that wasn't put in right, and if it was gonna do it, it'd do it by now. I mean, it just unloads the fury if it's not in right. All right, we'll get it to drain, make sure we're all the way good. Where's it at? Is it draining? Yeah. Alright, it drains, no problems. Cool, now we can slide it back in and be on our way. Alright, it's mounted back in. It's been running for a good while. No leaks, no gushers. Alright, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.